Ugh. It's hard. Hey, it's S2, your level 99 AliExpress advisor. Welcome back to another episode of What Can You Buy for $1? But first, have you liked and subscribed our video? Please do, so we can show you everything that you can get that is for $1 for your desk. So the first thing we have is this powered LED light. A little cute little astronaut here. So right off the bat, I mean, it's plastic, but it's still pretty sturdy. It has pretty good quality. This is pretty cute. I wonder if this is how you turn it on and off. We don't know yet. The cool thing about this is that you can set it however you like. So if you want to read up top, you can, because this is pretty shifty. If you want it at the bottom, you can. You can put it however you like, really. Let's test it out. Okay, so we found ourselves a laptop. We are now going to connect. This helmet actually has a function. You have to pop it on top of the button so that it stays on. The light is only in his eyes, so the whole thing does not light up. Like, how would you really make this stand in a useful manner so that you can do anything? And I guess like that. That's pretty cute. Look at it. I mean, it's half decent, but honestly, it's certainly not enough light to do anything with. Yeah, I mean, it maybe it does have a feature, you know, at nighttime when you're working right next to, if you're sleeping with someone and you're working right next to them and you don't want to turn on the big lights, you can have this where you can still get some temporary work done. Although it probably is gonna hurt your eyes pretty bad because light is not that strong. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this a 6. Let's move on to our next item. So the next item is this multi-position foldable notebook bracket. They did not have to say that much stuff because what it does is holds a laptop. Whoa, not super bad. It's got these rubber things to make sure that your laptop does not get scratched. I never know how to set these things up.
Pull it open, side on side. I mean...
Whoa! I broke it. Okay, we have a smaller version of the exact same thing. It also says multi-position foldable phone tablet holder. This is not for your laptop. It's for your phone. Okay, so now that I know how to open it, this is so cute. Wow. It's literally the exact same thing, just 100 times smaller. So this is the back. You have different adjustment levels. It looks like it's a good thing for tablets and your phone. Oh, it is. It's pretty convenient, actually. The design is not too bad, although the quality is very questionable. Ugh. It's so fucking hard. Ugh. Shit. I'm so scared. Spin it. Looks like a medical equipment. Ugh. As you can tell, or maybe not, it's a phone holder. This thing right here is super bendy. You can turn it in any way, and I'm pretty surprised by its quality. It's very sturdy, like it's really hard to pull it through, which is smart, right? Because if your phone is gonna be on here, you don't want something that can just collapse. So this is where you would plug your phone in, I think. Because, oh, like this. Cool, wow, I'm actually really impressed at the quality of this. I think the best part about buying really cheap stuff is that if it turns out to be really good, you're like super proud of yourself, right? Because this is a great purchase. I mean, wow. This is quite sturdy, I must say. Now I want to see if I can adjust this so it faces me. Cool, wow, look at that. I can chill like this and watch something while I'm working. This is actually cool. This is pretty cool. I can see myself using it while you're like on your laptop. You want to check your messages and stuff rather than like bending down. This is pretty cool. a 10 out of 10 for this dude. So now that you've bought all your desk supplies, what's the one thing that really bothers most people? I know what it is for me. It's cables. Cables are so freaking annoying. They're everywhere and they get jumbled up and looks ugly. We got these cute little cable fixes. So you can attach them to your desk and you can actually organize your cables. Oh, and here we have individual ones. One giant one. We test if it actually stays inside and is easy to slide up and down. See, that's my problem, that it comes out. I really don't like that. But if you're gentle and not aggressive, then it's okay for $1. Now, the second one, probably the most common one, is a laptop charger. This is the second one. So this one, see, it doesn't actually stay that well inside. If you move it, it does come out. So if you like need to like move it around your desk, it's not super convenient, I will say. Last one, we have something that looks similar to a MacBook or an Apple cable. Yeah, so I think these type of cables that have a different material than the Apple one are a lot better because they stay in longer, whereas the Apple one slides through, but it does the job. It's supposed to just cleanly organize them so you know which cable you're reaching for. It's not too bad. A thumbs up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop this one in here. Yeah, I think this one is better just because the tightness of it is a lot like sturdy. Oh, it actually does fit. Great. So if you actually just want to maybe organize this guy and not have it hanging around on the floor, you can just pop this in and have everything you need on your desk laid out pretty nicely. So this one is certainly at the top of the list of the $1. It comes with various different images. It's a 3D lamp. The one we went for is an astronaut. Oh, that's it. So this is really it. This guy, I mean, this feels pretty plasticky. It's not super nice. But I want to go ahead and see what this feels and looks like. Whoa! So this is the 3D. I like how easy it is to install. You just pop it in, and there it is. Cool! We're gonna turn off the lights so we can show you guys the brightness level of it. But first, that's the first color. Red. And then there's different types of reds. That doesn't look like different types of red at all. And there's green. Apparently these are the different types of green. Blue. And the different shades. I think it's pretty neat, actually. Does it have function in terms of allowing you to see? No, I think it's just a cool lamp to have on your desk. Cool, so in terms of its like actual usage, you know, for your work, no. The quality, this is not too bad. It looks a little cheap, I'll say, but the lighting is quite nice. In terms of its beauty and how much aesthetic it would add to your desk, I would think it's a decent purchase. So we showed you 5 different things that you can purchase for under $1 for your desk. What do you think? Do you find that useful? Which one will you buy? And we would love to hear from you in the comments below.